What's going on, Ben? You got the hiccups? Can't go to sleep, can you? Loud. Uh-huh. Are you done? One more? Aww.
Wants to.
Can't go to sleep.
There's chocolate stuff.
Is that it? Can you hold your breath? Try holding your breath.
Should we scare you?
Ah. Is that it? Uh-huh. Can anyone help us with baby hiccups? Help me. Help me.